Hey guys, this is Amber with lovegal.com and youtube.com/lovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you, in my opinion, the smartest thing you can do while waiting on your manifestation to arrive in full beauty. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new content. My next video may be the one that you need to see. If you are waiting for something to manifest into your life, go ahead and give this video a like. If you would like to drop some kind words or anything like that in the comments or introduce yourself, go ahead and feel free. I'll start. I'm Amber, aka the Love Gal. I am from California, to be more specific, LA, to be more specific, Inglewood, and I live in Austin, Texas. So nice to meet you. So in the beginning of my videos, I read a quick testimonial. Think of it as law of attraction success story, or a law of assumption a success story, a success story nevertheless. Let's get it. So the title, the subject of the email was, it was the whatever for me, man. So I have been trying to manifest a couple things for a minute now. I wanted 10K and a call from my ex-best friend so we could talk things out. I downloaded your whole LOA bundle and filled out both scripting packets. I expected everything to happen instantly, so I became impatient. Laughing emoji. I just ended up saying whatever and moving on. The moment I did that is when both came. My bestie ended up dreaming about me and texting me, and I had bought a scratch off that I forgot about. It'd been in my car for 2 weeks. Let's go! Exclamation point. Thank you for all you do. My bad for being impatient. It happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us. When we think we're supposed to have something instantly, there are things being moved around for us behind the scenes. But my LOA bundle that was being referred to is going to be linked in my description box below. Or you can buy everything separate. Everything's like super cheap. One scripting package is like $3.99 USD. The How to Manifest ebook is $5.99 USD. Or you can add certain things to your cart. Or you can grab the whole bundle at a discount. It's up to you, but everything's going to be available for instant download, and they're sent to you instantly. If you have a problem with your order and something happened, whether you put in a letter wrong on your email, anything, or you don't have access to that email but it was linked to your Apple Pay, just contact me. There's a contact page on my website. The smartest thing you can do while waiting, hopefully patiently, for your manifestation to come. Number one is, do not dwell on your current state of the situation. Sometimes when we become impatient, we dwell on the, well, where is it? And then we start thinking about everything that's wrong with the situation. Say you're trying to manifest an S-bag, and you start thinking about the breakup and everything that went wrong. And look, your old story doesn't matter. The smartest thing that you can do is, if you're gonna dwell on anything, dwell on your new story that you created. Because in manifesting and in my videos, like I've been telling y'all, you create a new story, you set your intention with that new story, you visualize the new story that you have created. It's basically a mini commercial. You visualize it happening to you over and over before you go to bed, when you wake up. So if you're going to dwell on anything, dwell on the good times that you've had surrounding the subject. Dwell on, say if it's a person, or dwell on when you did have money rolling in. Dwell on that. Think about that instead of thinking about maybe you not having enough, or that person being mean to you, or whatever. Because your new story is the thing that matters. So that's step number one. Dwell on the new story. Create a new story that you want to happen to you, and dwell on that. Now, step number two, it's easier said than done, because we are actually real humans that go through real things. I know I talk about, raising your vibrations and keeping your vibrations high, but we go through real things. I go through real things too. Y'all want to hear about that. But it is okay to feel. If something hurts your feelings, you can feel that. One, you can't just sweep it under the rug, because it's gonna come out later anyway. So if something is going wrong, it's okay to feel your way through that and acknowledge, hey, this is making me feel this way. I don't like it. I'm sad because blase blase. But what I will say, don't get stuck in that energy for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Allow yourself to feel for a day or two, maybe even 3. But that bounce back is always better, and it always makes you better. And after that, then you can go into thinking about things that make you happy. It could be people, memories. Like I've said in previous videos, if I'm kind of in a slump or I'm trying to get out of a slump, I think about someone who makes me happy, someone that puts a smile on my face, someone who I have amazing memories with. I just think about that stuff. Hopefully you at least have one person like that. It could be your child, it could be your best friend, it can be your parent. Think about the good things to get yourself out of that. And number 3, the smartest thing that you can do while you're waiting on your manifestation is being present. Ooh, that's a tough one. Being present. A lot of us are so caught up in thinking about the past too much or thinking about the future too much. And we rarely are focused on the present. And I notice things come in when I'm just focused on the present. I'm not even thinking about whatever it is from the past or what I want in the future. Look, I'm present. Maybe I'm watching a movie. I'm really locked into the movie. I'm really locked into whatever it is going on around me. Maybe it's spending time with my friends. But work on being present. Work on the things that you're grateful for. And it may sound crazy to other people, but walking around like, oh my God, the sky is beautiful today. Look at this grass. Look how green it is. That is amazing. You find yourself finding more and more things you're grateful for or you appreciate. Life gets a lot more happy, I notice. To me, it does not take much to make me happy or anything like that, because I find the beauty in small things and I appreciate those. It's like, wow, I get to go spend time with my family today. Oh, I get to see this person today. Oh, I get to eat this today. If y'all don't know, I love food. I do. I am a big foodie. You're like, ooh, these tacos about to go so hard today. Yeah. But yes, work on becoming present. And whatever it is that you want is gonna come. It's gonna come in when it's supposed to. There are so many things going on behind the scenes that are trying to get you what you want, but you have to be patient. Just because it does not pop up in 30 seconds or a day or 2 or a week does not mean it's not coming. I've had things come to me way later and I was like, you know what, this was a much better time than when I really wanted it back then. Anyway, I hope those 3 tips help you. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go through my other videos. I have over 170 videos and most of them are on how to manifest. Go to my page, youtube.com/thelovegal, and go down to videos and go to the video tab. Videos everywhere. And once again, my manifestation tools are for instant download and they're going to be linked below. And until next time, thank you for every donation, every like, share, comment. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And I hope you're having an amazing day.